Can you add a picture after posting on Instagram? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To answer my question, simply open Instagram, go to your post you want to add picture, click on three dots on right side on your post. You will find edit option, click on edit. In here you won't be able to find any add picture option. You can delete a picture, but you can't add a picture after you have posted your post. And the answer to can you add a picture after posting on Instagram is no. You can't post picture after posting it. And this is the answer to can you add a picture after posting on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.